This is vibrational sound healing. It works with the nervous system, the soft tissues, and the subtle energies of your body. If you were to break a bone, the bone will be immobilized in a deep, relaxed state in a cast for up to 6 weeks, allowing it to restore itself naturally. Vibrational sound healing places the body in a deep, relaxing state where it can restore itself naturally. This is possible because our human bodies are rhythmic and harmonic. So diseases and illnesses indicate that our bodies are out of tune or out of their vibrational rhythm. In this video, I'm simply assisting the body in healing itself by tuning various bodily systems back to their original biological factory settings. I do this without harmful side effects, no lifelong prescriptions, and no surgical scars. After listening to the following testimony, leave a comment, inbox me, or visit my website to schedule your session. Nika, thank you for your permission to record. You have the floor.
As a person who's never experienced this before, this was amazing. And I make the comment like surgery because while I was on the table, I felt like surgery was being done. I felt like things were being opened up, released, and all the good stuff was being put back in, and I was being closed. Feeling really relaxed, energized, and kind of ready to move forward. It was great.
Well, thank you.